G'day everybody, it's Peter from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a Land Rover Discovery 3 2007 radio. Now the tools you will need today is a Torque 20 screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove that, get it out of the way. This whole section here needs to come out. Now you can do that by getting a spudger under the lips, or you can go grab your hands and pull it out. It is on some strong clips, so occasionally one of those clips will break. These guys here, you're fighting against these, they're little metal clips. Okay, now these guys are held in with 5 screws. You need to take the top part off and the bottom part to get to the head unit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws down each side. As you remove those, you can just leave those loose. This one here will come out and you can leave it loose as well. And then the radio will slide out, and they're pretty easy to unplug. Press the middle pin and pull it towards the front, and the same with this side. And that radio is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.